Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Devajit Kumar Sharma, Senior Consultant Neonatologist and Pediatricians of Satribari Christian Hospitals. I am also Executive Board Member of Indian Academy of Pediatrics, and I was past President of the Indian Academy of Pediatrics, Guwahati City Branch, and past Secretary of the Assam State Branch of Indian Academy of Pediatrics. We all know breast milk is the best for babies. It is not only species specific, it is also the baby specific. We can reach Mars and we can reach everywhere in the world. So we have done so many things. But we have yet to create some alternate of the breast milk. No milk can substitute breast milk. As we see, calf drink only their mother's milk. So cow's milk is for cows, elephant milk is for elephants, and mother's milk is only for mother's breast milk is only for human. Human milk is only for human. Unfortunately, in India, we have so many low birth weight babies and so many preterm babies. Low birth weight babies we call when the baby's birth weight is less than 2.5 kilogram. And premature baby we call it when it is born before 37 weeks of complete gestational age. Neonatal mortality rate in India is still unfortunately hovering around 40 and hovering around 40. No, we have come down lots from the around 60 to 70 in 2 decades back to now latest 26 in this last year in Assam, and in India also neonatal mortality at present is hovering around 28, but in developed countries it is less than 3. Our goal is the Millennium Development Goal was to reduce neonatal mortality to below 10 by 2000. Unfortunately, we couldn't reach that in 2000, but we hope to reach it by 2030. How we can reach that? We have so many neonatal ICUs mushrooming around, even around the big cities, even in small cities and in villages. We have improved a lot on neonatal care, but still why we cannot reduce the neonatal mortality to below 26? Mother's milk may be the answer. Because what is the commonest cause of the neonatal mortality rate? The commonest cause of the neonatal death in India is still the extremely preterm babies, extremely low birth weight babies, and infection. All of these things can be reduced only by giving exclusive breast milk to all the babies. What is exclusive breast milk? Exclusive breastfeeding is called if we start breastfeeding immediately after birth, within 1 hour after birth, within 1 hour of birth, and give only breast milk for up to 6 months. But most of the time, unfortunately, when babies are very sick, when babies are as low as 600 gram or 700 gram, or when baby born very preterm, mothers are usually also sick. Because most of the mothers who are sick give birth to these low birth weight babies or preterm babies, they are mentally stressed because their baby is in ICU. So due to the mental stress and physical stress, they many times cannot produce enough milk. So what we will do? Can we give any alternate food feed to these low birth weight babies or preterm babies? But unfortunately, it is no. We are giving them, because we don't have enough milk, and most of the time we are giving them some artificial thin feed, which is not at all equivalent to the breast milk. Rather, it increases the mortality of the newborns. And even not only in mortality, long term their cognitive development is also not good as babies who take only exclusive breastfeeding. So what is the answer? The pasteurized donor human milk is the only answers. You see, in traditionally India, what we do for the babies who the mothers don't have enough milk, we used to give wet milk. What is the wet milk? Mothers related, others, aunties and pehis and pehis and mahis, and used to feed these low birth weight babies. Is it the right thing? Unfortunately, it is not right thing, because if the mothers related have any infections, any say hepatitis B or H or any infection in their blood, it will be transmitted to the newborn, and the newborn may die because of that. So what we can do, we can collect the milk from any willing mother, because as I said earlier, all the mothers have enough milk to feed 2 to 3 babies. If any willing mother, we can collect the milk, pasteurize this, just like we pasteurize the cow's milk for drinking. We can pasteurize it and keep it in drip freezer for up to 6 months. That is the rationale behind the human milk bank. It was first started in 1989 in Sion Hospital, Mumbai, by Dr. Armando Fernandez. Unfortunately, it can become a revolutionary of sort. After 1989, it should have been the human milk bank. We should have been in every nook and corner of our country, but unfortunately, it is not happening. In India, till 2018, only 14 milk bank was there, and in Northeast, there was not a single milk bank in both private sector or in government sectors, human milk bank. So we are very proud to announce that we have just opened one human milk bank in 2019 with a grant from the Rotary Club India, club number 3240. So we are happy, we are very thankful to Dr. Debashish Das, governor of this Rotary Club, and I am very happy, and I hopeful that it will serve a very long needed dream of the long needed demand for these newborn babies of the northeast of India. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मैं हूं मानक गुप्ता। अगर आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इसे लाइक और शेयर जरूर करें, और हाँ, हमें सब्सक्राइब और फॉलो करना ना भूलें ताकि आप देश और दुनिया की कोई खबर मिस ना करें। तो जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ और देखते रहिए न्यूज़ 24।